Time to say thank you to Local Information Bureau officials who succeeded in trapping dacoits within 6 hours of dacoity. Prudent Media brings to you this special report on the brave police officers who caught the dacoits at Margaon railway station.
LIB official rushed as soon as they got information of dacoits and succeeded in trapping the 4 dacoits who were escaping to Delhi after stealing gold items worth ₹12 lakh. Goa police also suspect their involvement in other dacoities that took place this year. So it's time to forward a word of appreciation to these brave officials. Thank you. Here they share their experience.
दोन भुरगे मेळे तांकां आमी टिकेट विचारले ते मागीर टिकेट दाखयले आनी व्हरून नेटान सांगपाक लागले की आमी दिल्लीच्यानी काय म्हणून हिंदीन उलोवपाक लागले जशें की हांव टिकेट तांकां मागीर प्लॅटफॉर्म दाखयलो दिल्ली वचपाक 2 नंबर न्हू 1 नंबर येता म्हणून मागीर ते 1 नंबर वचपाक ती बॅग घट्ट धरले हांव मागीर तांकां फुडें गेलो आनी ते बॅग दाखय म्हणलो ते बॅग कशें दाखयना जालें मागीर फोर्सान बॅग घेतलें आमी पयल्यार तितून मातशें कॅश आनी गोल्ड दिसले तशें आमी ते पॅक केले दोग जाण घेतले आनी आमचे एसओचे फुडें हँड ओवर केले.
The dacoits were arrested after Panchnama.
करतकीच आमी तांकां घेवन आयले आनी सायबाक रोखडें इन्फॉर्म केलें म्हणटकीर तांकां मागीर सकयल ते ब्रिजा कडेन सगळे पंचनामा बी करून जातकीर पंचनामा थंयच्या थंय सायबान आमकां केलो थंयच्या थंय मागीर ताका आमी मागीर पुलीस भितर हाडले.
We congratulate these officers for their efforts. Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Time for a short break. After the break, watch our special series on monsoon and dacoits attack Vasco Yeshwantpur train. Stay tuned. Welcome back. It was a Bollywood-style drama when dacoits attacked Yeshwantpur Vasco train on Alnawar-Londa route. Around 10 to 15 dacoits entered the train and threatened the passengers. This incident took place at around 1 a.m. at night. 4 dacoits were later arrested. However, others are absconding. 2 dacoits are injured and are admitted in Karnataka Institute of Medical Science as police had to fire at them to nab them.
Around 15 dacoits entered Yeshwantpur Vasco train at around 1 a.m. at Alnawar. They threatened the passengers and robbed valuables from them. These dacoits got down at Londa. Railway police started inquiring after some passengers complained. They arrested 2 dacoits at Londa while 2 dacoits were arrested in goods carrier at Dharwad. Police had to fire to arrest the dacoits. 2 dacoits were injured in the firing and are admitted in Karnataka Institute of Medical Science. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Second South Asian Film Festival is all set to commence from June 26 in the state. Famous actress Pooja Bhatt stated that if Goa wants to be a part of the film festival, then Goan filmmakers should be participative and not merely play spectators in the festival.
This is for the second consecutive time that Goa would witness huge crowd and foreign spectators and participants for the South Asian Film Festival. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, noted actress Pooja Bhatt, film director Mahesh Bhatt, Speaker of Goa Assembly Pratap Singh Rane, Vice President of Kala Academy Jitendra Deshprabhu and others were present for the press briefing on Wednesday.
That I do not want the Goans to be mere spectators. I wish to see more Goan filmmakers. I wish the Goans to be participants in the festival from here onwards. So while you all are all here and very kindly and very generously reporting, while you all will all come and throng the festival hopefully and watch it, we need to be able to have the average Goan, especially the youth of Goa, participating more as filmmakers, actors, editors, writers. That's when you can actually call all these festivals your own.
More than 60 films will be screened at the film festival from South Asian countries in theatres at Entertainment Society of Goa and Kala Academy. Classic films, short films, documentary films and popular films will be showcased. When a journalist asked Mahesh Bhatt whether Pakistan has stopped showing Indian movies, he answered in negative. In turn, he clarified that Pakistanis love Indian cinema and Pakistani films will be also screened in the festival.
If there's no all-out war between India and Pakistan, because Indian cinema has made inroads into every home and every heart in Pakistan. They love Indians and Indian cinema because of our movies, and that is a fact. And they cannot begin to see us as enemies despite of vested interests, wanting to convince the people that there are demons across the border who want to devour you. So I feel that we have, in terms of soft power, Even the government of India is waking up to the power of cinema, particularly Indian cinema, Hindi cinema in particular, in terms of its impact in South Asia.
Our senior reporter in Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Yes, the monsoon is finally back. It has started pouring once again from Tuesday night, even with thunderstorms in many parts of the state. Till date, Goa has recorded 35 centimeters of rain.
Dark clouds have once again emerged on the Goan horizon. On Monday, monsoon got reactivated after a dry spell for almost a week. In past 24 hours, rain was felt across Goa. Some talukas like Ponda, Sattari and Sangem witnessed heavy rainfall. Comparatively, it was a moderate rainfall in areas like Kankon, Kunkuli, Margaon, Murmugaon and Panji. However, some areas like Mapsa and Pedne continued to be dry and sweating. For the past 4 years, the month of June has recorded not less than 90 to 100 centimeters of rain. But this year till 17th of June, only 35 centimeters of rainfall has been recorded. Heavy rains also causes road accidents in Goa. In one such rain-related accident at Lotli, 4 people were badly injured. 3 were admitted to Hospicio and 1 to GMC. The accident occurred between a truck and a trailer on Margaon Ponda road. As a result, traffic on the road was halted for almost 3 hours.
सध्या कोणाक मार बी लागला 4 जण इंजर्ड आहे म्हणून इमिडिएटली आम्ही जिकून शिफ्ट करपाक गाडी तोपर्यंत 108 कॉल इंजर्ड शिफ्ट केलं तांकां सो स्पॉटार डेथ बी कोणाक जाल्या अशें कितें त्या जेएमसी रिफर केला.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, and from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu for Prudent Media.
We are heading for a short break. After the break, watch news from sports.